Hello everyone, my name is Jyotsna and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, which is our third tutorial on Java language, where will see a simple Java program to print hello world. So in our previous tutorial, we have seen the six different sections which we use in our while we write our Java program. So here, first four sections which are optional and the last two sections which are mandatory while writing Java program. So while writing a program, I'm using only these two mandatory sections. So I have written one simple program where I have taken one class which is name is hello, and in that class I have mentioned only one main method which is mandatory method. Okay, so I will just use Notepad as a text editor to write my program, and I am using command prompt to execute my program. So I will just copy and paste this program here in Notepad. And as we all know, to save a program, we use .java extension. I have already created one Java programs folder on my desktop. I am saving this program into that folder. Okay. So I will just give the name of that program as class name. Okay. And saving this program at .java extension. Save. So this program, we can here see hello.java, which is the name of this program. So here this program is saved as .java and type as Java file. So to execute this program, I am using command prompt.
I can
Okay, here I, for that I need to go to the folder where I have saved my program. Okay, I will go to the desktop, then my folder Java programs. Here, there are two main steps when we execute our Java program. First one is compilation, then second one is execution. For compilation, we use command java c space classname dot java, and for execution, we use java class name. Okay, so here our class name is hello. So my command will be java c hello dot java. So I am compiling my program here, java c hello dot java. So after compilation, if there is any error in compilation, it will throw error here. But here in my program, there is no such error, so it gets compiled successfully. And to execute, we use command java hello. Okay. So after execution, it gets executed successfully, and the output is hello world, which is printed successfully. So this is a very simple basic program to print hello world. So right, so this is all about in today's tutorial. Stay tuned for next tutorial. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.